Namaste everyone. As we know, the whole world is suffering from COVID 19. So I have written the poem so that it would may encourage most of us to stand against this pandemic. So let's get started. We the people of India affirming Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam in this humanitarian crisis standing with everyone, approaching the milestone to limit the spread in this thunderhead, the doctors ahead creating the shade for infected, for suspected to stop manifest giving their best with no medicine available, disease made treatable by immunity, by medical fraternity. Humanity is on the edge, fear of coming days, a request to follow rules, don't be so fool. This responsibility counts, stop the pandemic to mount. If you feel unwell, self isolate. Do not depress, it's not your fate. Let's deal with this social anxiety to show our maturity towards hand and mouth hygiene, towards sanitizing, support the government, support the stay home movement, support the treatment. Make an agreement with ourselves, with oneself, with yourself. Avoid the crowd, raise your voice loud, disperse the corona cloud. Being a matter of proud, let's unite again to beat the deadly, overcome safely, bury this COVID 19 into the grave. We'll lay the pave for upcoming generation. For in concern of nation, a lifetime opportunity to hold the responsibility against this pandemic to prevent epidemic in the community, in the society. Be a hero and let the virus turnover be zero.